In front of me is HOTWAV Note 15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Now tap on this plus at the bottom in the middle to create a new one, and first of all, set up an hour. When you finish, hit OK and then customize it however you want to. At the top you can add label and save it by hitting OK. Then pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones, and to exclude some specific dates, use this plus next to pause alarm, pick a date and save it by hitting OK. To delete it, use remove button right next to it. Now tap on this little bell. Download one of those sound platforms if you wish to use your music from them, or hit dismiss. To use one of those platforms, click on the chosen one at the top and log in. If you don't want to do that, select Sounds, tap on Add New and pick any song from your device by clicking on it here. If you don't want to do that too, just click on one of those options. Now use this icon next to vibrate to switch it off or on, and this plus next to Google Assistant routine to add your alarm to it, or later on remove it from it. Now to hide all of those options, click at the top right corner. To disable your alarm or switch it back on, use this switcher next to it. To make some changes, click at the top right corner, manage your alarm however you want to, and then go back. And to get rid of it, use delete button at the bottom left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!